Hi class, today we're going to do lesson 2.2. It's titled Many Names for Numbers. And what we are going to look at today are our name collection boxes. And another way we can say that is using the term equivalent names. And what that means is that names for the same number are called equivalent names. So for instance, I could say 6. I can also say 6 as 3 plus 3. Now in the past you've seen name collection boxes that look like this. They will give you the number 8 and then you have to think of all the different ways that you can make the number 8, equivalent names for 8. So they used addition, they used subtraction, they just wrote 8 and they wrote 8 in Spanish, which is ocho, tally marks, X's. We're going to take this concept today right here and we're going to take it one step further. I want you to look at this number 16. What you should do is you should pause this video, go back to Google Classroom and open the link for Padlet. Padlet will be a link, and on that page I want you to write as many different ways as you can think of to try to come up with the number 16. See if you can come up with 5 different ways. Now let's see if any of these are the same that you came up with. So 16, if I had the number 16 here, one of the ways they came up with it is just a multiplication problem, 4 times 4. So multiplication is definitely a operation that I want you to try to start using more in your name collection boxes. If we use multiplication, we can also use division. So 32 divided by 2 is an equivalent name for the number 16. Now we're going to go a little bit trickier and pick a number like this, 970 minus 954. If I solved this problem, that would be an equivalent name for 16. Something like this even goes up to 3 steps. In this problem, we have to think about the order of operations. So I know that I need to do whatever is in the parentheses first. So in this problem, I really have 60 divided by 10. Well, 60 divided by 10 is 6. So now my problem becomes 10 plus 6. 10 plus 6 is 16. And the bottom one we did was just a three operations here, 1 plus 1 plus 14. So this name collection box right here is a little bit trickier, and they use some higher order thinking and they use some trickier operations in their name collection box. So as you can see, today is a pretty short lesson. What I want you to do is work on page 30. When you are working on page 30, the first one is the number 16, which I've given the answers for you. The next 3 questions ask for 24, 50, and 100, and then the bottom 2 you get to make your own. What I would like you to try today, while you're doing these, I would like you to try some that use multiplication. I would like you to try some that use division. Try to use some that use 3 steps, and try one that is just tricky that might use parentheses. Have fun!